Okay, hello everyone, my name is Panji Albukhory. In this video, I will explain what an explanation text is and give one example. Okay, explanation text. An explanation text is a type of writing that aims to clarify how or why something happens. It's commonly used in educational, scientific, and informational contexts. Two, generic structure. Generic structure and explanation text has three parts. First is general statement for introduce the topic. Two is sequence explanation, step by step or cause and effect details. And three is closing, summary or conclusion. Language features use simple present, include technical or specific terms, and use connector like first, next, because, and as a result. Okay, for example is about rain or how rain forms. And general statement is rain is a natural process that happens when water falls from clouds to earth. First, water from rivers, lakes, and ocean evaporates because of the heat of the sun. Then the water vapor rises and forms clouds in the sky. When the clouds becomes heavy, the water falls back to the earth as a rain. That is how rain happens through a natural water cycle or cyclus of rain. So that is explain of an explanation text about rain from me.